Just imagine that you have the table with the ID order, and based on your ID, you want to appear the specific data in one new table. Of course, you can do it manually, but it will be not dynamic and it will take so much time. Let's use our XLOOKUP function. So, just select the cell of our product, equal XLOOKUP. We select the cell with our ID, comma. We go to another sheet with all our data. We select the column with the order ID, comma, and we select the columns that we wanted to get the data. Press Enter, and in just 1 second we got our data. And of course, dragging your formula down, you will get the data based on your ID.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.